The existing Newark Sports Pavilion is in desperate need of renovation. The building fabric is tired and decaying. Inside there are problems with condensation and damp. Mould is growing on the ceiling and walls. Tiles are falling off walls. The roof is leaking, and it's just generally cold, damp, unpleasant space for our sports teams and the public. The sports clubs have been looking into renovating the building for several years, and eventually the project was handed over to the parish council as the owner of the building to undertake the works. Over the past year and a half, I've been working with Newark Parish Council to understand the needs of our users and community, and to provide a solution that suits the needs of the whole of Newark. Very early on in this process, it became quite clear that the existing building, despite its flaws, was structurally sound, and without the budget to construct a brand new building, the decision was made to carry out an extensive renovation of the existing building. And so the time has come for the metaphorical setting of the sun on the old building and for the renovation works to begin. The new building features composite cladding to the exterior and an entirely new layout inside. To accommodate the amount of sports being played in Newark, we've actually provided 4 changing rooms as per the existing building. This allows for rugby fixtures and football fixtures on the same day. The new changing rooms have been designed to Sports England standard and house a shower, changing area and team toilet. The entire left hand of the building, extending into the existing garage, then becomes the new social area. The kitchen includes a serving hatch onto the new patio area. The patio area can be used by spectators and players to relax after their sports and training. New external storage is being provided either side of the building to replace the existing rather haphazard selection of sheds which were on the site, allowing us to make full use of the building footprint. After a competitive tendering process, we've appointed our contractor, 2Build. Based out of Crowborough, they're a local firm, and so far have been doing an absolutely amazing job. They started work this Monday, and so far have the site set up and have started demolishing the old sheds and digging out for the new bases for the new storage. They've been extremely helpful and proactive, working with our sports clubs to manage the handover of the building and moving out of all their materials. Due to the amount of construction traffic and materials being brought into the site, we are closing the car park for the duration of the project. The car park closure will be Monday to Friday during the working day, but will open again in the evenings and at weekends as usual. Temporarily, there is a large skip in the disabled parking space nearest to the field. This is for use by the sports clubs while they move out of the site. The vast majority of the project is being funded by SIL funds, which have been secured by the hard work of Newark Parish Council. The sports clubs are also fundraising to make a contribution towards the project, and we've also received an extremely generous donation from the Stallball Club. The additional fundraising will go towards furnishings and fittings inside the new building, with the ambition being that our users can return to what feels like a brand new building, fully fitted out. If you're able to make any donations, please look out for their posters. These feature a handy QR code which you can scan with your phone, taking you directly to their fundraising site. Thank you. I do plan to share regular updates on social media, so do keep tuned. If you have any questions throughout the project, please do speak to Emma or myself in the first instance. The construction works are due to finish in early 2026. Thank you very much for your time in watching.